another episode of GMS Racing. Today we're headed up to Cedar City for a Napa show that is going to be happening. It's the Jamboree, I believe it's called. We're getting the R8 fueled up. We're going to get it to Cedar and meet up with some of the guys, so we're excited for that.
$97 on the R8, 17 gallons.
Thanks, Byron.
Alright guys, so we got Robert in front, Tony in the passenger seat eating some beef jerky, hot and spicy. Werner hot and spicy, I recommend that. We're gonna go pick up Nelson right now, then head out to Tinks car show up in Cedar.
Nelson from GMS?
Nelson from GMS.
Whoa.
No. We got Robert up in the front, the R8, chilling.
What the hell is he doing?
Probably
Doing some R8
meet him over here. Yeah, I'm doing some R8 activities. Chill, look at this guy. Oh, got Nelson in the back. Drip it, back up.
Is that Nelson from GMS?
Is that Nelson from GMS over here? That is Nelson from GMS. Look at the guy. Sexy guy. All right, let's go to Cedar. All right, what's up, guys? So we just got here. Got the man of the hour here. Let's go say hi to him. Go scare him, huh? Let's go scare him.
I'm like, oh, we're hugging. I love this.
What's up, John? What's up, brother? How are you?
You met my wife before.
Yes,
we met it before.
Nice to see you again.
Nelson, my wife Shantae. This is the Guzman group. These are my race car guys. They're not even my account, but then I won't not visit them.
It's okay. Well, you're welcome. You're welcome as much as you want.
I pass around to the car guys. Too cool.
It's a lovely day. R8 chilling as always.
What do you think?
Maybe we should get him a twin turbo kit special, huh?
I mean, I would. I mean, we just drove how many miles?
42? About 42 miles.
It took us what? About 23 minutes to get here. The R8 is still good. Looks clean.
A little heat soak, but you know, a little heat soak.
There's the next field right there. Look.
Yeah, let's send it to him. Got Huracans, got Audis, Beamers, Silvias, GTRs, buggies, you name it. Yeah, man, thank you.
How much horsepower is this?
900 plus?
Yeah.
Yeah. She's a little beast, man. Definitely is. Oh yeah. Owner right there, but yeah, it's ours.
I heard it. I ran my ass over here.
Yeah. Yeah, man. So we're. Yeah. So this is our company, GMS Racing. Cars for days. Cars for days.
Hey Robert, what the hell did you just do to these poor guys, man? Here he comes.
I had a CBR just like that one.